Okay, bonus points. Now's the time for your assignment. We've already learned how to create a scope and the timeline, and we also understood how to create project documents. So now that we've got something here that we can reuse, we're going to go back to the accounts home, create a new project, and reference those other projects into it. So your task is to create that new project, find the previous project that we'd worked on, Skyline Residences, and use one of these as a starting point for your project documents. In this case, I chose the BIM execution plan. I'm going to go to the scope, and in the same place, I'm going to choose our Skyline Residences project, and I'm going to be very selective. I'm going to say, I just want the 3D coordination milestone. So this is the exchange information requirements for that milestone. And I'm going to include the structural concrete as a part of our scope. Quite quickly, we've created this. You'll notice that the task status is not copied across, but the project teams are, and all of the other details and all the requirements, including all of the attachments as well, that will be available inside of File Manager. Your task to complete this step is now to create an export combining both the documents and the scope into one PDF. Pretty quickly and easily, we can create that by selecting a cover page, adding a document index, choosing the BIM execution plan, choosing the grid, and maybe some details, giving this document a name, and hitting create. And now that document is created for us pretty quickly, and that's the assignment. And you can see also the other document in here as well at the same time. You'll be able to open this when it's completed. We can see those 3 different pieces: the BIM execution plan, the scope grid that we were creating for the coordination, and everything is built up with all of the different bookmarks, so it makes it easy to get to understanding exactly what we have defined and also all of the detail in that report as well. There you go. Now you've completed the basic docs and basic scope. We're going to move on to the verify step and start to look at the 3D models and deliverables and start comparing them against what you've defined as your scope. Remember, don't plan late, plan early with Plannerly.